In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Canva. First, go to the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. Then click Upload Files. And find the green screen video in your folder. Just select it, then click Open. For this tutorial, I'm using a video from Pixabay. Once it's uploaded, just drag and drop it to the canvas like this. And then you can adjust the size and positions of the video. Now to remove the green screen, just simply select the video, then go to the top toolbar and click this video remover tool. After that, you just have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the background has been removed and you can add a photo or video as the new background. To do that, you can upload a video or photo in the Uploads tab, or you can also choose video or photo from the Elements tab. To add it as a new background, just simply drag and drop it to the canvas like this. Right-click the video, click Layer, and click Send Backward. Then you just have to adjust the size like this. Okay, now let's click this play button to see the final result. So that's how to remove green screen in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.